Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about AI generated presentations in Canva in just few clicks. If you feel that you really want to save time while you're creating amazing presentations in just few clicks, today's video is just for you because I'm going to go to Canva and show you this whole step-by-step process how you can create these amazing presentations using Canva AI. So let's start step by step how you can create AI generated presentations in Canva. First, what you can do is basically create the text in document in Canva directly. You don't need any document outside of Canva. You can go to homepage of canva.com. You can sign up if you are not registered yet to canva.com. Just make your account, free account, it's fine. Even if we later on will need some features which are only in the paid version of Canva, but to start we can just use Canva free version. So here you can choose the docs. You see create new docs. I click on it and it will open this new, let's say, document. Like you can put any text you want. Now for the script of, for example, for this purpose of this video, I already created my webinar about Pinterest as a strategic tool for your business. So here I already did use ChatGPT and I created this text, but you can obviously start and make your own text here, which we're going to use for the presentation. So here I created this text for my webinar and I'm going to copy whole text. Now we are going to the next step. Just copy this text and create presentations, AI generated presentations in Canva. So I go back to the home page of Canva and you have these basically three options here. Your designs, you have your templates, and then you have Canva AI. So if I click on the Canva AI, because we are creating AI generated presentations, I will remove this so you know what's in the default setting. Now you have, you have plus here, you can add media, you can add your pictures, your videos, or anything you like. But for first, what we're going to do is click on the button here, design for me. And of course, we are creating presentation. So I click on the presentation and I'm going to write what I will basically want from this Canva AI. And I will say create a slide base presentation, use this text in slides. And I'm going to put all the text I basically used and prepared before in the document. And I click on submit. It will basically create various slides, around 6-7 slides with different ideas, like different designs. So I can choose from 3 or 4 designs. If I want more designs, I have options. Click on the button more designs and you give me another options. You can always choose some design and then always modify it. So for example, when it's going to give me some ideas, like it's preparing right now, tie the moment while I put your presentation together, I can choose the similar style I like, and then I can edit it and modify everything. I can add my pictures, my videos, my graphics, for example, or any kind of other elements I want to use. So this will create based on the vision, the text I gave this Canva AI. So you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ideas which I can use. Maybe I don't like any of these. Let's see what it looks like. It's about 7 slides. Let's see here. What about this one? I don't really like this text, but we could always change the font to something else. Not bad. I could use this one. Or you see here, I want more designs, or I want with more different color scheme. So for example, you can use, of course, your pictures. Let's see the first one. It's also not bad. Let's say I will go for this first one. I will click on it. It will open like this. I can definitely put different requests for Canva AI, or I can click on the top right corner here and use Canva Editor. So if I open it, it will open like a new tab, and you see I have this presentation here, and I can modify this presentation, modify the text, and do anything I want. So for example, if I want, for example, change the font, which is now Telegraph, I will click on the font and click on the top, Telegraph, and I use, for example, Lato. And I will say, okay, yeah, I change all the text in the whole presentation. It's going to be Lato, as you can see right now. Or I can, for example, add different elements. I don't like this element. I can choose something else. For example, if I choose Pinterest, of course, it's a webinar about Pinterest, so I can choose this one, for example, and change the color. So I can then change my presentation this way. Let's say I remove this one and also this and make it nicer, right? So you can play with the presentation, but you already have 7 slides, you see, with my text, and I can, that's the text I gave it for the AI, apart from the last one, which I didn't put this quote. But this text, you can always click on it and change it and, make it your own. So this is like very easy. You have already the setup and you can duplicate. If you see below, for example, I can click on the page 2 and I can click on the 3 dots and say, okay, I want to add page, or I want to resize this or duplicate. So I want to keep the same design. This is the layout of the presentation, so you don't have to do everything from scratch, and will save you a lot of time. So this step-by-step tutorial, it's something I recommend if you are creating presentations, maybe like me, for webinars or workshops, and you don't want to do it everything from the basic, from the scratch. This AI generated magic design Canva AI tool, it allows you to basically put the text and create slide-based presentation in few clicks, as you could see, and then I can modify it and tune it the way I want. So it creates with maybe my pictures or my graphs, my elements, for sure, my brand visual, so like my fonts and all the colors and my logo. So this in few clicks, as you could see, it's very easy to do. Try it out and let me know if you like it. And if you want to see more videos about Canva hacks or Canva AI, or even, of course, Pinterest and business, online business, digital products, sign up here, because every Friday we have new videos. So, and I'm looking forward to see you in next video. Have a great day.